we're here in Punta Gorda, Florida. We're gonna stay one night here at 4 Points Marriott. On board, we got a room for a night, so we're just gonna give you a little tour and show you what's around. What's nice is that you're right in Punta Gorda. You can walk to a lot of places. You're right on the water. A lot of little restaurants, unique restaurants, and little places. Punta Gorda is kind of a quaint little area, quaint little downtown. So it's a nice place to just walk around. All right, so we'll show you the room, we'll show you the resort, and some areas around where you'll see when you walk.
All right, now we have a little coffee area, and I'm going to take you out to the pool, and then down there is the lobby. All right, here's the pool, and then here's the gym. Oh, looks like they've got a little locker, free weights. Oh, wow. Oh, that's kind of pretty there. A little foggy. Oh, look out here. They even have little bicycle free loaners. So you can see it in the daytime here. And here we are. Hi, we're at the 4 Points Sheraton in Punta Gorda, Florida. We've just come in the room. Coffee maker to your left. It smells very clean and fresh. As you notice, it's got the hardwood flooring, nice sized closets. Your ironing board here is your safe. Oh, that's kind of cute there, the cute little closet, and your paper towels and some cups. Looks like they do have laundry provided. Okay, now it looks like we have a nice microwave, a nice sized fridge, television there. I do like the light blue light color, and I like the window seat. Look how the air conditioner is kind of blocked off, so that's nice. This is on the second floor, and we have a king bed. I did sit on it. It's pretty soft, so if you like firm, not so much, but it's a nice pretty bed, 4 pillows, nice little cute lamps, and a nice picture there. Looks like you have the air conditioner available, and I like this door. I thought that was kind of cute, one of those slider doors, and a cute little water there, main entrance. Bathroom is, I'd say, A+, fresh, white, and bright. And look at the bathroom. There's no shower curtain. And then you have your soaps and conditioner. Yeah, I like that. Like that very much. All right. Oh, and they even give you a robe. That's awful cute. Cute little 3 hooks there. Okay.
Okay, so just a little bit down the street here, there's a Wyvern, which is another nice motel. They have a pool up at the very top there, which is kind of unique. And you can see there's like Punta Gorda, so panorama around. There's little restaurants and things. Okay, here's Spring Hill Suites, which is right next to our motel. So plenty of parking. Sometimes they have events here. You're right next to 41, that's why it's noisy. So we're going right over there where it's kind of orange, just past the Wyvern. That's where Dean south of the border is. We're going to eat there. So a lot of little restaurants, unique restaurants here, not just a bunch of chain restaurants. Very unique to the area. All right. Okay, we're at Dean south of the border. It's mostly outside. We're going to eat inside. It's a colorful place. And right over here are some galleries and other restaurants. So we'll take a walk over there after we eat. Here we are at Dean's. So we got chimichanga, enchilada, Philly cheese. What do you get?
And the steak fajitas.
Steak fajitas. Right, very good. Everything's great.
A+.
Alright, so a little closer look here. This is pretty typical. So there's a few blocks look like this with little quaint stores and some non-chain restaurants mostly. You know, local restaurants. Alright, it's a little historic landmark here. You can pause it if you want to read it. Okay, it's a little farther down. So you don't see this much, you know, there's little apartments right on top of these businesses. You don't see much of that anymore. And as you go pan to the right here, down there's our motels. That's Four Seasons or whatever, Spring Hill Suites, and ours is the next one. Then you have the bridge, US 41 bridge going over Charlotte Harbor just past that. We'll show that on our way out tomorrow. Okay, Leroy's Barbecue, kind of a famous little restaurant here. Chamber of Commerce. And then this is some kind of outdoor harbor social, it's called. There's a lot of places just hang out, walk around, little bars, little restaurants. So kind of like Key West minus the depravity a little bit. It's toned down Key West.
I wanted to show you there's a little pizza shop right down
Oh,
here.
okay.
This tiny little cove.
Okay, so it is very safe to walk around Punta Gorda. Okay, it's clean and there's no homeless allowed to roam around and harass people. That doesn't happen here. So it's a good place to walk around. Okay, got a pretty gorgeous sunset going there. It's towards Charlotte Harbor. Just gonna walk down a little more. There's a little local spot called Celtic Ray, just down here. A nice little bar restaurant. That's just down this street here, just a little ways down. We may or may not get a drink, we'll see. Okay, there's the Charlotte County Justice Center there. There's the Celtic Ray. If you can see the name there, looks like they might have a band or something going on. See, there's seating up on top too. It's kind of the end of the walking area. Alright, so here's the entrance, front area. They have pub runs here too. I forget what night they have it, but they have pub runs. So it's kind of an old time place, been here a long time, I guess. And the Celtic Ray.
That doesn't.
So that makes sense. Busy around here. Okay, so I do have a lot of stuff that goes on here. Comedy, bands, obviously. A lot of different stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that goes on here. Okay, so we're heading back to the motel. It is a weeknight in the summer, so that's why it might look kind of dead. Come on the weekends, there's a lot more people around if that's your thing. If you want something a little more exciting, there's a lot more people. Alright, we're gonna head back to the motel. Okay, so right across 41 from our hotel is Lashley Park. And you've got restaurants, shops here, and you got a full service marina and a fishing pier. And there's a bridge over Charlotte Harbor, you can see in the distance maybe. Some nice car noises. So there's a lot to do. You can walk around here, you can rent boats. Well, nice place to go. It's a nice thing to have right across from the hotels there. You can see over here there are wet slips, some yachts and some boats, some cabin cruisers and stuff. And then anchored out in Charlotte Harbor, some sailboats and things, people staying on them or have them anchored there. So I can't see over here. Get a better look at it. Okay, so this is right next to the hotel, right across 41 from the hotel. Okay, so this is behind the hotel here. They've got a tiki bar over here. Have music playing, live music sometimes. And right over here, Charlotte Harbor, 41 Bridge. Yeah, here's like a stage here for when they have live music. I don't think that's live unless it's behind that building. I think it's just recorded music. There's a pier here. You can walk around, fish, I assume. So there we go. This is what's right on site here, right next to the parking lot where you park. So pretty cool. So there's stuff to do if you like some nightlife, a little entertainment. It's of course a lot more crowded on weekends. This is a Wednesday night. Here's looking back towards our hotel from the tiki bar area. I have some condos over here. There we go.
All right, just a note to self, the mattress, I changed my mind. It was wonderful, A+. It was just like a marshmallow. Cotton fresh sheets with the duvet cover, and then the base was not like your normal metal. It was wood, so we would give it an A+. Okay, we are heading out. I would give this a A+ hotel. I got some fresh coffee downstairs this morning, even though they had it in the room. The beds were fantastic. I felt like a marshmallow. Jeff and I want to get one for home. It was a king. This is the Tiki Bar here during the day. Looks like they have live music almost every night. They do have frozen drinks available because the bar on the inside just had beer and I think just a mixed drink, very simple. They have volleyball available. Let me walk on over here. Some t-shirts, and we'll get a little menu. There's the music schedule. Wow, that's pretty in there. Tables. All right, this wraps up this. I would definitely recommend it, A+, and we'll see you again.